Stop by and take a look at the 2009 Silverado 2500HD. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, traction control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find power steering, tachometer, child seat anchors, trip odometer. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.